the tattoo healing process. Something noticeable is that the swelling has gone down for where the tattooed area is. This part is pretty much almost done. This almost, and this has got a long way to go. I'm getting my second one on Tuesday, right around here. So hopefully it's healed. My first one is healed enough, and I think it is. So yeah, I'm doing pretty well.
Okay, Isabel, this is the moment you've been waiting for. You're off. Hey, Isabel, see this? Hey, no jumping. No jumping. Isabel, hey, go get it. She saw the bird.
Come
on. What a fun day. I was all tired from running around the rink. She had her water. Time for a short little walk. Where are we?
And we're at the Chicago Fire Stadium here to see the Chicago Red Stars.
Oh yeah, we're gonna see the Women's World Cup champions. Some of them at least. Right?
Yes.
Of the tattoo healing process. It's more so over here, so yeah, and I'm getting more tattoos tomorrow, so 11 of my tattoo healing. I'm getting another one right there, so yeah. I feel like we're experiencing a second peeling, so
I'm on my way for the second session of my half sleeve. This time we're doing the bicep area, the inner arm, which I've heard conflicting views on whether or not it hurts, but whatever, we'll see. We'll have to get through it regardless, so I'll catch up with you either during the process, after it, before, whenever I get the chance really, so I'll see you then. I'm filming on my phone. I can't be bothered to take my GoPro out. That really fucking hurt. that one was the worst one yet. So I got another session lined up, last one, and then we'll be good to go. We'll be done. It hurts so bad right now. I'm back in Rosemont where my car was parked. Man, that train ride sucked. I was in pain the whole time. I'm still in pain right now. It's kind of dying down now, but it still really hurts. I knew it would hurt when he started drawing near my armpits, and I just thought to myself, what did I get myself into? So yeah. Taking care of this is gonna suck, but I really like what he designed. He drew it on my arm, so it kind of like follows the contours of my muscles and stuff like that. It was pretty cool to see it happen. The process was really awesome. But yeah, really happy about this one. I can't wait to show it whenever it's, well, you'll probably see like a really quick healing update, kind of like what I've been doing with these videos. And then we'll just mix and match. You'll see what I mean by that. We'll do the first tattoo and then the second tattoo for healing updates. I'm gonna make sure, or try at least, to not make that the only content that I have for these videos, but you never know. Sometimes I just get too busy doing other things, and that's what I film. So yeah, but I hope you like my second tattoo. I didn't really get to film much because we kind of just did it right then and there with like no breaks or anything. So yeah, all right, time to get home to my pup, my lovely girlfriend. It's time to take off the bandage. That's one. There we go. Oh. Ah. That's so gross. Jackie? The question is, how am I gonna wash this? Okay. I guess regularly, huh? Here's a closer look after I took the bandage off. So day 1 and then day 12. This one's pretty much good. This one has just started. Day 13 and day 2. Sorry, this one's hard. We're at a doggy carnival, and Isabel over here is super excited to meet everyone.
Let's go big. That was awesome. And then I'm a lifelong couple. Alright, we're gonna do one more. Okay, we're good.
Day 3. You can tell the skin is kind of reacting to it. And then day 14. 2 weeks since I got this one. 15. And day 4. Kind of crazy. Feels much better to lotion it now, though.
Gotta get it cut, and then I'll see you later. We got our haircut. I just combed through my hair and a chunk came out. Classic, having thick hair. Okay, let's go back home to our girls.
I just asked for music from Beyonce. Like, yeah, she could voice act and everything, but like, she's not. I don't think she fits the character.
That was the Lion King movie review.
Oh, sorry.
No. Alright, Jackie, what would you rate it out of 10?
Like a 6 or a 7.
Like a 6 or 7. And Lion King's like one of your favorite Disney movies?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. How many birthday parties did you have Lion King themed?
I think only 1 or 2.
Only 1 or 2, okay. Yeah, I would say it's like a 7.
And all these remakes are not going to be that good.
Yeah. I really like the songs. Like, I never got to experience the music in a theater, and all the songs they had, like the scores, not really like the actual songs. Sounded really good. Was it anatomically correct?
Pretty much, yeah.
Oh wow, even when they roar?
Kinda.
Oh yeah.
The only problem is, like, they kind of, like, showed, like, some of the animals had variety within it, but all the lionesses looked exactly the same.
Yeah. What was your favorite part?
The movie.
You like the whole movie? My favorite part was when they were singing in the jungle.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, that was a good
the whole
change.
chorus.
So some of the changes were beneficial, and they took out some things and then made beneficial
we were saying how Nala runs away. We didn't really see that. She just shows up in the original movie.
You're right.
But yeah.
That was a small change. But
Like,
they did change some wording.
yeah. One of my favorite Lion King songs is Be Prepared. And they changed that whole thing. I was really hoping it would be on there.
I don't